At first, a very pleasant morning to all my students. This is our online class for English subject. In today's video, we are going to learn letter F. With the help of your book of English, English workbook and English notebook. So firstly, take your all these three things, put them together and then open your book of English. So students, in the last video we have discussed about letter I and we have also learned the pictures start with letter I. And now in today's video we are going to learn letter F, which is in page number 21. So open your page number 21 to learn letter F. As you all know that before beginning any topic, we write down date firstly. So let's just write the date on the top. As today is 3, so write down 3, then make a hyphen, then write down 6, again a hyphen, and then 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 6, 20, 20. Okay? Students, here are some pictures which start with letter F. Look, point and say the names of the pictures aloud. So there are some pictures that start with letter F. Let's just have a look. What's over there? Chapati, salad, I think there are pulses and vegetables, a glass of water. This is complete food. What is this? Food. F for food. Food begins with letter F. Food. Then flag. This is a flag. This is our Indian flag. This is our national flag. Have you ever seen national flag? You must have seen this flag in Independence Day and Republic Day at your school. Have you? Okay. So, this is a flag that starts with letter F. F for flag. F for flag. Look, this water animal. This is a fish. This is a fish. F for fish. Fish starts with letter F. F for fish. The next one is, who is dancing here? This is a frog. See? So frog also starts with letter F. F for frog. F for frog. The next one is a beautiful flower. Flower also starts with letter F. So, F for food, F for flag, F for fish, F for F for flower. So, these are the pictures that begins with letter F. And see, there are two F's, no? So, this is the capital F and this is the small f. Capital F, small f. Right now we are just learning about this capital F. And the small f we will write later on. Okay. So we have seen that there are so many pictures that start with letter F. Food begins with F. Fish begins with F. Frog also begins with F. Flower begins with F. And flag begins with F. F for food. F for fish. F for frog, F for flower, F for flag. Okay? Do you know some other pictures that start with letter F? Okay, let's just do one thing. Okay, raise your head up. Okay, raise your head up and see. Have you seen something like this? Is there fan on ceiling? Can you see a fan on ceiling? दिख रहा है आपको एक fan ऊपर? So fan also starts with letter F. And fruits also start with letter F. So let's just do this exercise. Firstly, write down here CW, because this exercise we will do right now. Okay, so do it with me here. Circle the letter with which the name of each picture begins. There are two pictures. Okay, the first one is fan. So fan starts with which letter? G for fan, or O for fan, or F for fan? Tell me. Exactly, F for fan. So circle letter F, because F for fan. The next one is, there is a picture of mango, a picture of grapes. These two are the fruits or vegetables? Yeah, these are the fruits. And fruits start with letter, which letter? D letter? I think R letter or F letter. Yeah, fruits start with letter F. So circle letter F. So here we have learned that these are the pictures that begins with letter F. F for food, F for flag, F for fish, F for frog, F for flower, F for fan, and F for fruit. Now what's your task? Your task is to learn the name of the pictures that starts with letter F. Okay? For example, if someone asks you that tell two F letter picture, so immediately you can answer that F for fish or F for flag, F for frog, whatever you wish to answer. Okay? So in this video we have seen the pictures that start with letter F. And in the next part of this video we will learn to write letter F. Okay? So let's just meet in the next part of this video. Good day.